Oh, hey kids. Rich here from the Castles, Caves, and Clones podcast. Just watching little Lilo and Stitch. You know, every time I watch this, it makes me want to go back to Hawaii. And it also reminds me of one of my favorite dishes I got there, the Loco Moco. You know what? Let's make that today. Except I'm watching. Whatever. Join me on today's episode of Castles, Capes, and Clones Cuisine, Loco Moco. You know, the Loco Moco was supposedly invented in this little cafe place in Hawaii when some kids came into this restaurant and wanted something fast and cheap that wasn't a sandwich. So the proprietors basically put some rice in a bowl, topped it with a hamburger patty, with some gravy, and there you go. And because one of the kids was nicknamed Crazy, and because it's Hawaii, they called it Loco. And then Moco rhymes with Loco. So there you go, Loco Moco, which absolutely has no tie to being Spanish. Problem is, I'm kind of into this movie right now, so I know what to do. Hey, Tik Tok me. Hey, me. What? Yeah, I'm watching this movie, so why don't you show the kids how to make Loco Moco? Alright, so you want to help me set everything up then? No, just TikTok it. What does that even mean? You know, TikTok. Just use your phone. Dude, don't you think we're a little too old to be TikToking? Never! Alright, I don't even know how to TikTok. Did I just use TikTok as a verb? Just put your phone on the tripod and film yourself. Can't we just... Dude, did you just portrait mode me? Yes, now just show them how to make it and put an extra egg. I'll give you a... Oh yeah, and might as well show them how to make mac salad. Mac salad? Just get the cooking, clown. Fine. I guess I'm gonna show you how to make Loco Moco and mac salad with an extra egg, apparently. So let's get to cooking. 3 of these things of rice. Rinse till it runs clear. Put it in your rice cooker. Add water. To the first knuckle. Close her up. Turn her on. Hit white rice. Wait. When it's done, fluff it. Cover again. Wait 5 minutes. Boiling water. Bouillon cube. Oh yeah, stir. Three eggs gently in an empty pot. Cover with water. Put it on high and cover. When it's boiling, take it off the heat, set aside. After 8 minutes, drain, let it cool. Boiling water, salt, macaroni. Drain, rinse. Cut out some pickles. Save some pickle juice. Peel and chop up eggs. Add the pasta. Add the eggs. Add pickles. American mayo. Japanese mayo. Paprika. Pickle juice. Vinegar. Salt and pepper. Mix. Oil. Patty. Season. Flip. Season. Let it rest. Same pan, add butter. Whisk. Add flour. Whisk. Whisk in broth. Salt and pepper. Set aside. Crack some eggs. New pan, cold. Add olive oil. Add eggs. Turn on to medium. Salt and pepper. Cover. Bed of rice. Patty. Egg. Gravy. Loco Moco. Side of mac salad. So here you go. Loco Moco. I mean, the beef comes out, the gravy, with the just perfect fried egg. This is an amazing dish. Like those kids, if that's true, genius. Now, they didn't add the egg until later, but definitely get the egg. So yeah, if you like this episode, please hit like, and also subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification to be alerted when we have new content. And join us every Thursday night at 6:30 Pacific Time for the Castles, Caves, and Clones podcast. And starting probably the first week of November, the Monday probably after October 30th, join us for the Mandalorian version of the podcast, where we recap what happened in that week's episode. So, catch you on the flip side. Close her up. Turn her on. After 8 minutes, drain. 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 Set the boil, cover. Set the boil and cover. Put it on high, cover. 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 And cover. Put it on high and cover. And cover.